Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a shortcut on the Snapchat. So if you want to send streak at once to your friend, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to open your Snapchat. Now you have to click a picture or you can record a video. Once you will do it, on the right top on the right bottom you will see send to option. Click on it, and on the right top you will see shortcut option. From here you have to click on the new shortcut and select our friends you want to add in this shortcut, and on the top you have to enter the emoji. Once you will do it, now simply click on the create shortcut. Once you will do it, your shortcut will be created. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.